Are you looking for best magnetic screen door? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take you through the different types of magnetic screen doors and help you choose the right one for your needs. We'll also give you some tips on how to install your new screen door and keep it in good condition. So let's get started. List number: upgraded reinforced magnetic screen door fits door. This screen door net is a cost-effective way to keep pets and children safe. The magnet is sewn in, so you can walk through the screen easily with your pet by your side. This screen mesh size is 74 inches width times 81 inches height and fits your sliding door size 72 inches times 80 inches. Otakovo newest door mesh with magnet with 36 pairs magnets sewn in that allow the double door screen magnetic closure to open more easily and close more seamlessly. This upgraded reinforced magnetic screen door fits door 72 by 80 inches with 36 pairs magnets, specially designed for large patio door, sliding glass door, double door, front door, French doors, interior or exterior, entry and porch, balconies, garages, etc. The mesh size 74 inches width times 81 inches height allows you to walk through freely while you are holding something on your hands, or dogs and cats can come through freely. You can walk through freely while your hands are full. Dogs and cats can go inside and outside of the house with ease. List number 2. Hands-free magnetic screen door. The hands-free magnetic screen door is engineered with a fine mesh that will keep flies and mosquitoes out while letting fresh air in. The magnets are super strong down the entire length of the door, giving you peace of mind that this screen is firmly shut. Crafted with heavy-duty mesh and double reinforced stitching, this screen door will last through thousands of uses. This magnetic screen door is designed to fit all doors measuring up to 38 inches and 82 inches, such as front doors, back doors, and patio sliding doors. The design of this door allows for a seamless transition between the inside and outside of your home or office, making it easier for your guests to enter. The super strong magnets along the entire length of the door will keep the door firmly shut to keep out pesky insects. As you pass through, the net parts as a breeze passes by, magically shutting behind. Super strong magnets keep the screen firmly shut without using your hands. The mesh screen parts as you pass, magically shutting behind, so you don't have to use your hands. List number: Aliexpress magnetic screen door fit for door. Our Aliexpress magnetic screen door is a perfect solution for your door problems. It can be installed on any door size up to 72 inches by 96 inches. Our magnetic screen door is fan-assisted single-stage and completely hands-free, easy to install, and will not damage your surfaces. We offer 3 packs of 36 magnets, so you will have plenty of them for whatever size doors you need. Simply take a look at some of our other products, including our coil skirt and frame support kits, which are designed specifically to help support screen doors that are difficult to install properly. Really hand-free. It can be used to fit a fixed screen door or fit front, rear, interior or exterior, entry, patio, deck, porch, balcony, glass, and even sliding doors. We offer high-quality, competitive price with great customer service. List 4. Fergany magnetic screen door fits door. Magnet screen door is specially designed for doors with 2 inches wider and 1 inches higher than door. The door net screen with magnet is made of the full frame magic tape, which is good for removing and rolling up during the off-seasons. At the same time, with the upgraded widened 1.6-inch hook and loop on the top, the hanging magnetic screen doors for single door would always stays in its place and doesn't fall off. Extra push pins are included for added security and strength. The mesh magnetic screen door comes with a package with all you need included and a manual to help you install and detach like a breeze. The durable magnet screen for doorway with reinforced edges is a good replacement for a fixed sliding screen door. The windproof sticker hasp and gravity sticks sewn at the bottom can effectively prevent the retractable mesh screen door with magnets from being blown away by strong wind. Excellent workmanship and the heavy-duty mesh guarantee Magic Mesh Screen Door lasts a long life. List number 5. Bobblary Magnetic Screen Door Fits Door. The Bobblary Magnetic Screen Door is a special kind of screen door. It is durable enough to withstand pet scratching. Our mesh door screens are perfect for letting fresh air in while keeping pesky mosquitoes, flies, and bugs, outdoor irritants out. It will not obstruct the view of the outdoors. The durable mesh and reinforced edges allow you, your pet, to use it confidently, and the door screen can stay up to all elements with regular cleaning. Screen your door with a magnetic screen door. This screen door will last longer while giving you a convenient way to keep children and pets out of the house. 36 powerful magnets with silent sponge sewn inside the screen door mesh ensure the best seal and closure while closing the screen door faster and quieter. The strong magnet allows you to open or close this door with ease. Whether you are at home or away,